Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Today I'm putting together a Thai red curry simmer sauce, which is the first part in a two-part series. Let's see what we're going to need. This dish was inspired by a Wegman's recipe, but I'm not one to go buy simmer sauce, so we're putting that together from scratch. All of these ingredients are just going into a saucepan and simmering for about 15 minutes. I'm making a double recipe. The single recipe is also listed in the description box below. Let's get over to the stove and start cooking. This sauce can be left loose for a simmer sauce, or you can continue to thicken it as a topper for noodles or even salad dressing. You can pour this simmer sauce in a jar and refrigerate it, or use it immediately, like we're going to. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.